Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be talking about getElementById. It's going to be a really quick video, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is we're going to want to create a element in HTML. I'm going to pick a button. We're going to write in the button, hello from button. We're going to give the button an ID. Now, you don't have to always give elements IDs, but you do have to give them IDs if you want to reference them by ID. In the case of what we're talking about in this video, I mean, the method is called getElementById, people. So we're gonna wanna write button ID. Let's keep it simple. Okay, in the script tag, this is gonna let us write JavaScript right here. This is the good stuff. First, we're gonna wanna write document. So, of course, document's going to be talking about this entire document. And we want to get element by ID right there. So, yeah, get element by ID. And in here, we want to write inside the quotes, we want to write what's in here. So we're just going to copy and paste it. Okay? Now, we want to set this equal to a variable so it stores the action of this method, because this method might run here, but it's not going to do anything. So we have to store it in a variable. So we're going to write, we're just going to write element. We could also write button, right? Doesn't really matter. Okay, and then that's going to store this element inside a variable. And then we're going to console.log out we're going to console.log the variable, which is going to give us this whole element here, tags and all. All right, so let's see if this works. Let's save it and open with live server. Here I made the font really large so you can see it, and click it, nothing happens. But if we go into develop mode, show JavaScript console, there you go, see it? Now if we reload, it's gonna stay there. It's gonna just stay there, and you can see that it highlights the whole thing. And there you go, we got this element, and now, I mean, you could do this with any element that you want. As long as it has an ID on there that's unique, you can grab it with this method right here. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.